for IIFT 2021. So all these questions we have selected from previous year IIFT papers. So before we start, I request everyone to please mark your presence. Be quick, guys, please mark your presence. Om Prakash, you must solve previous 10-year papers of IIFT. I have shared all the question papers of IIFT on our Telegram group as well, right? If you haven't joined the Telegram group yet, so please join the group. The link is shared in the comment section only. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, I am Ajay Sareen. I am a 100 percentile in Quant and DI section of CAT. And I have 16 plus years of experience in teaching students for various competitive examinations. Rishabh, we will discuss everything later on. Let's focus on first of all questions, right? So if you are enjoying the session, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe our videos, as well as please subscribe to Gradeup official group. All right. So let's start with the questions now. So question number 1 says, consider the equation and we need to find sum of all the real roots of the above equation. So in this case, we can see there is x minus 5 modulus and again x minus 5 modulus. Either we take a range of x and then solve it, or we can assume x minus 5 modulus as p. So it will make our job easy to find the value of x minus 5 modulus straight away. So it gives me p square plus 5p minus 24 equals 0. So we can split the middle term as p square plus 8p minus 3p minus 24 equals 0. So which will give us the factorized form as p minus 3 into p plus 8 equals 0. Right? So it gives me p is either equal to 3 or minus of 8. So p is nothing but x minus 5 modulus, which is 3 or minus 8. So if we consider the turning point now, our job becomes easier. If x is less than 5, so it will result in minus of x minus 5, which equals 3 or minus 8. So let's take negative sign on the other side. So x minus 5 is either minus 3 or 8. And on adding 5, it gives me 5 minus 3 is 2 and 5 plus 8 is 13. Now here the condition was x should be less than 5. Only one value is satisfying, which is x equal to 2. Likewise, when we take x is greater than equal to 5, we will get positive of x minus 5 equal 3 or minus 8. On adding 5, it gives me 5 plus 3 is 8 and 5 minus 8 is minus 3. As x should be greater than equal to 5, only one value is satisfying, so other goes out. So the two values 2 and 8 adds up to 10. So the correct answer option will be D. So guys, please check it out. I hope it is clear to each and every student. Good evening, Sanjay. Good evening. So I hope question 1 is clear. Om Prakash, is it done? Right, sir, Rishabh, right. So let's move on to question number 2. Here we are given the value of x upon y, which is 7 by 4. And we are required to find the value of x square minus y square divided by x square plus y square. In order to find this value, we just need to take y square common in the numerator and denominator. It will be resulting in x upon y whole square minus 1 and x upon y whole square plus 1. That is one way of doing it. Or you can straightway substitute the value of x as 7 and the value of y as 4, because the degree of x and y in the numerator and denominator is same. So 7 square is 49 and 4 square is 16. So they are the only values we need to solve. So in the numerator, difference of these two comes out to be 33, and in the denominator, sum comes out to be 65. So the correct answer option will be C. Manoj, check this out first, then I will take you back for the reasoning. Check this out. I hope this question is clear to each and every student. ये clear है सभी students को? Okay, so let's have a look here, Manoj. So we got two values, x as 8 and x as 2. In this case, the condition was x is less than 5. Out of 2 and 13, 2 is the only value that is less than 5. Here, x is 8 or minus 3, but x should be greater than equal to 5. So that's why minus 3 is ruled out. And we are required to find sum of all the real roots of the above equation. That's why it is 2 plus 8, 10. Right, Manoj? Okay, so second is clear. Let's move on to third. Here it says x square plus 3x minus 10 is a factor of this polynomial. Then the closest approximate values of a and b are. In order to solve it, first of all, I have to find roots of this particular quadratic. The very same roots will also satisfy this polynomial. So we will substitute those values of x here and equate them to 0. It will give me equation in terms of a and b, right? So then we will solve it for the values. So let's solve it now. So here middle term can be rewritten as plus 5x minus 2x, and its factorized form becomes x plus 5 into x minus 2, which gives us the two roots as 5, minus 5 and plus of 2. Now let's put these values one by one here. So it is 3 into minus 5 raised to power 4. So minus 5 raised to power 4 will be 625. Plus 2 into minus 5 cube. So minus 5 cube is minus 125. So it gets converted to negative sign. It is 2 into 125. Then it will be minus a into 5 square, which is 25a. Then it is minus 5b. Minus a plus b minus 4 is already there because it is a root. Then we can equate this expression to 0. So it gives me 25 minus a is 24a. Minus 5b plus b comes out to be minus 4b. So 3 into 625 comes out to be 1875. 2 into 125 is minus of 250. And minus 4 is also already there. So I am writing it as minus of 254 equals 0. So it can be rewritten as, let's take these two values on the other side. 4b minus 24a equals difference of these two. 5 minus 4 is 1. 7 minus 5 is 2. 18 minus 2 is 16. When we will put x equal to 2 here, it becomes 3 into 2 raised to power 4. 16 into 3 is 48. 2 into 2 raised to power 3, so 8 into 2 will be 16. Minus it is 4a plus 2b minus a plus b minus 4 equals 0. So it will give me minus 5a plus 3b plus 48 plus 16 minus 4. So 48 plus it will be effectively 12, which comes out to be 60 equals 0. So let's take these two values on the other side and it becomes 3b minus 5a equal 60. So we need to eliminate one by one the variables to find other value. If we multiply it by 3 and this by 4, on subtracting b gets cancelled out. So 3 into 24 is 72. with a negative sign. Please keep that in mind, right? So minus 72 minus of minus 20 becomes plus 20, results in minus 52a equals 3 into 1621, right, which will be 4863, and minus it will be 4 into 60, which is 240. So a comes out to be negative. Just let me check कहीं पे कुछ हमने साइन का मिस्टेक तो नहीं किया. So here we got x as minus 5 and 2. So यहाँ पे मैंने साइन गलत लिख दिया यार. It was minus 25 है. यहाँ साइन गलत हो गया. ये ठीक था, ये ठीक है, ये ठीक है, ये ठीक है. So let's rectify it. Minus 25 minus a makes it minus 26a. Right? So when both the values goes there, it is 4b plus 26a. Okay, now it's fine. So 3 into 26 will be 78. So then 78 minus minus 20 makes it 78 plus 20, which is 98. So it will be 98a equal this value. So a comes out to be 3 minus 0 is 3, 6 minus 4 is 2, and 48 minus 2 is 46 upon 98. Right? So had it been 100, so the result will be around 46.23. ये वैल्यू 100 से कम है तो 46 से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा होगा, right? So like many options are there, so we need to divide it also. पूरा पूरा divide करेंगे तो ही पता चलेगा exact value क्या बनती है. So let's solve for other value which is b, right? So that will make job more easier for us. So in order to find the value of b, now let's multiply equation 1 with 5 and equation 2 with 26. On adding these two, a will get cancelled out. ये हमने इक्वेशन गलत लिख दी थी, रुको यार, लेट मी करेक्ट इट. लेट मी करेक्ट इट. दोनों इक्वेशंस गलत लिखती हैं, सो दिस ऑल गोज आउट. सो दिस इज 5a minus 3b. This is the equation. Okay, let's multiply this with 3 and this with 4. On addition, this get cancelled out, right? So this will be 78 plus 20, which is 98a, which equals 4863 plus 240. So a comes out to be 63 plus 40 is 103, 48, 50, 5103 upon 98. Okay, now, so leave it now. Now multiply equation 1 with 5 and equation 2 with 26. On subtracting these two, a will get cancelled. So 5 into 4 is 20 and 26 into 3 is 78. So they get added again, gives me 98b. And on the other side, it will be 5 into 1621, which makes it 8105. And 26 into 60 comes out to be 1560. And on subtracting these two, value of b becomes 5. 10 minus 6 is 4. 10 minus 5 is 5. And here it will be 7 minus 1, which is 6 upon 98. So the closest values here comes out to be in option C, which is 52,67. So guys, please check it out. I hope the calculation is clear now. If anyone has any confusion, do let me know. Okay, so let's move on to next. In fourth, we are given two equations for log, and we are required the value of log 27 to the base 25. So we need to modify these equations. As per the answer options, if we check, it is a plus b, a plus b. Here again, it is 1 minus a plus b. This is the only option with a minus b. So let's do a plus b calculation first. So if we add these two, a plus b comes out to be log 5 to the base 25 plus log 15 to the base 25. Because base is same in both the cases, so 5 and 15 get multiplied, results in log 75 to the base 25. Now this 75 can be rewritten as log 25 into 3 to the base 25, and again if I split it, it is equivalent to log 25 to the base 25 plus log 3 to the base 25. And log 25 to the base 25 is 1, take it on the other side, it gives me log 3 to the base 25 equals a plus b minus 1. Log 27 is nothing but 3 times this value. So the required answer comes out to be C, because 27 is 3 cube, so it is equivalent to 3 log 3. I hope this part is clear, guys. Hello Abhinav, hello. Okay, so let's move on. In 50 says the simplest value of the expression is. Now we are given power of 4 and powers of 2 here, so we just need to convert every value to the power of 2. So when the numbers are multiplied, powers are to be added. When they are divided, powers are to be subtracted. So this is nothing but 2 raised to power 2p plus 1 by 2. Power get multiplied by 2 when you go for 2 square. Plus it will be, this is 2 raised to power 1 plus p and square root of the same. So we can say it is p plus 1 divided by 2. Minus it will be, this is 2 raised to power 1 and this is 2 raised to power minus p by 2. When it comes to the numerator, it becomes plus of p by 2. Now 2p plus p by 2 plus p by 2 adds up to 3p. So this is 1 by 2, this is also 1 by 2, which adds up to 1, and 1 minus 1 gets cancelled out. Right? So results in 2 raised to power 3p whole raised to power 1 by p. So p and p get cancelled out, results in 2 cube, which is equivalent to 8. So the correct answer option is B. So please check it out. I hope the simplification process is clear to each and every student. Right, Amir. Right. Okay, so then let's move on to next question. Here it says if x is real, the smallest value of the expression is. So the expression given to us is a quadratic one, and we have done many a similar questions. So minimum value of upward parabola is minus d upon 4a. Right, so it comes out to be minus of d is b square, 4 square is 16, minus 4ac, 4 into 3 12, 12 into 7 is 84, divided by 4 times a, and a is 3, so 4 into 3 is 12. So it comes out to be 16 minus 84 will be the 68 with a negative sign. So negative negative becomes positive, so it becomes 68 by 12. Now we just need to cancel out 4 in this case, so 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 7s are 28, so the correct answer option comes out to be D. So please check it out. I hope it is clear. Is it done, guys? किसी को अगर कुछ डाउट है किसी स्टेप पे, प्लीज लेट मी नो. Okay, so let's move on. Yes, Amay, yes. These are past IIFT questions. So similar questions appears many a time. Good evening, Shivi. Good evening. Right, Devansh. Right. Okay, so let's move on. So here it says the value of this term is equivalent to. So in order to solve it, we need to simplify this part first. In this bigger square root, we have 7 multiplied by 7 raised to power 1 by 2, again multiplied by 7 raised to power 1 by 2. So this is the given expression. So in order to simplify it, base is same, powers are to be added. So 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 adds up to, so 2 will be the LCM. So 2, so this is effectively 1 only, so 1 plus 1 will be 2. Right, so this being 7 square under the root results in 7. So effectively the question is log 7, log to the base 7, log to the base 7, and then it is again 7. So log 7 to the base 7 is 1 and log 1 to the base 7 will be 0. I think कुछ गड़बड़ है क्वेश्चन के साथ या इन स्क्वायर रूट के साइंस के साथ कुछ गड़बड़ है. As per the given values, answer comes out to be this is 1 and log 1 is 0. Right, I hope it is clear to all. Is it done? Maybe कुछ साइंस के साथ गड़बड़ है. So is it done? Okay, so let's move on. So here we are given find the value of x from the following equation. So here we have base 10, base 10 and base 10. So we can write this one as log 10 to the base 10. Because of plus sign, the two values get multiplied. It becomes 3 into 4x plus 1 equals 10 into x plus 1. So log gets eliminated because both sides it will be log to the base 10. So that gets eliminated. So gives me 12x plus 3 equals 10x plus 10. Difference of these two is 2x and difference of these two is 7. So the value of x comes out to be 7 by 2. So the correct answer option is B. See, Divansh, when it comes to any chapter, like when it comes to CAT also, so CAT में usually इतने questions आते नहीं थे, right? But अभी इस साल हर section में दो दो questions आ गए, right? So when it comes to logarithm, the questions are usually very easy. थोड़ा सा practice करोगे दिवांश हो जाएगा. Is it done? Priyam, answer is B, not C. Shivi, we provide a lot of quizzes which are free, right, to all the students. So a lot of questions are being shared on Telegram group as well. So if anyone among you is not on official Telegram group of Gradeup, please join the same. The link is pinned. So just click on the blue bar above the comment section and join the group. So here it says a firm is thinking of buying a printer for its office use for the next 1 year. The criteria for choosing is based on the least per page printing cost. It can choose between inkjet and a laser printer which cost 5,000 and 8,000 respectively. The per page printer cost for an inkjet is rupee 1.8 and that for a laser printer is rupee 1.5. The firm should purchase the laser printer if the minimum number of pages to be printed in the year exceeds So basically, let's say if you are going to print X pages and all, right? So here the cost will be 1.5x, here the cost will be 1.5x plus the cost of the printers. So this will be beneficial if this total cost comes out to be less than this total cost. All right. In order to solve the same, just equate these two and find the value of x. So it gives me 8,000 minus 5,000 is 3,000 and 1.8 minus 1.5 is 0.3x. On solving, x comes out to be 10,000, which means for a minimum of 10,000 pages, the two will be equal. And when it is beyond 10,000, it is advisable to purchase laser printer. So the minimum number of pages to be printed will be 10,000. Yes, 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 Utkarsh. क्यों, क्या हुआ, लग नहीं रहे क्या? राइट ऋतिक, राइट। उत्कर्ष, क्या हुआ, लग नहीं रहे? आईएफटी के ज्यादा इजी क्वेश्चंस हैं? पेपर सारे इजी आते हैं यार। A small confectioner bought a certain number of pastries, flavored pineapple, mango, and black forest from the bakery, giving for each pastry as many rupees as there were pastry of that kind. So it's not 3, it is there. As there were pastries of that kind. Altogether, he bought 23 and spent rupee 211. So let's say pineapple are A in number, mango are B in number, and black forest are C in number. So altogether he purchased 23 pastries. The cost of these A pastries will be rupee A. Of these B will be rupee B, and of C will be rupee C each. Which means the total cost incurred to purchase them will be A square plus B square plus C square, which equals 211. Then he says find the number of each kind of pastry that he bought if mango pastry are cheaper than pineapple. So this is mango pastry which we took B, right? Although we can rearrange them in any order, it doesn't make any difference, right? So let's say A are mango pastries which are less than pineapple and dearer than black forest. So dearer means they are more expensive. All right, so this should be the order of my answer. So first of all, because there are three variable, two equations, it is better to use answer options only. 10, 9, 4 add up to 23. 11, 9, 3 also add up to 23. So all the options are adding up to 23. This is taken care of. So we need to work out with this. So 10 square is 100 plus 81 plus 16. So units place is not matching. It should be 1. Here it is 7, so ruled out. So 11 square is 121 plus 81 plus 9. So units place is matching. So let's add them. 81 plus 9 adds up to 90. Right. So 90 plus 121 adds up to 211. So this has to be my correct answer. So guys, please do not try to solve these two equations. It's better to work out with answer options because that will make our job very quick. दिवांश, पेपर सारे इजी आते हैं यार. व्हाट अबाउट कैट? कैट डिफिकल्ट था क्या? पेपर देने के बाद सबको समझ आता है कि पेपर इज इजी. अनिरुद्ध, ऐसे में कुछ नहीं बता पाऊंगा. प्लीज कॉल मी आफ्टर द क्लास. जस्ट ज्वाइन द टेलीग्राम ग्रुप एंड गिव मी अ कॉल. आराम से डिस्कस कर लेंगे. टेलीग्राम पे सर्च माय नेम अजय सरीन. आई एम वन ऑफ द एडमिन. राइट, सो गिव मी अ टेलीग्राम कॉल. आराम से डिस्कस कर लेंगे. इज इट डन अनिरुद्ध? Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so there are 10 questions for the day. So remaining 10 we will be discussing, I think, tomorrow. All right. So guys, the benefits of subscribing to Gradeup Super are complete access to all the running and upcoming courses of all CAT and other MBA entrance exams. So you will not be limited to one particular course only. You can attend all the CAT and other MBA entrance exam courses going on. Right? So which includes CAT, IIFT, ZAT, SNAP, TESTNET, Maharashtra CT, CMAT, NMAT, MAT, all examination preparation. So you need not purchase separate courses for different MBA exams, right? So only your subscription of 18 or 12 months will work for the same. So you can call our counselors or you can post your query in Telegram group as well so that all the information is passed on to you. So CAT 2021 full course enrollment has started for next batch. So there are going to be 300 plus live interactive sessions. 200 plus PDFs are there. 80 plus mocks and sectional tests will be given to you with 7,000 plus practice questions. And please keep in mind it also includes your preparation for group discussion, VAT and personal interview. Revision workshops will be conducted before each and every exam. So please join before it's too late, right? So the early you start, it is always beneficial for you. Important courses for 2021: comprehensive course for all MBA exams. So the fourth batch is going on. Crash course for CMAT and Maharashtra CT is going on. GK and current affairs for all the examinations is going on. And a special course for only and only GD, VAT and PI is also going on. So if you want to join any of these courses, please feel free and call our counselors, so they will be really happy to help you out. Subscription for CAT and other MBA exams is available for a period of 18, 12, 6 and 3 months. All CAT and non-CAT 2021 aspirants are requested to please enroll for 18 months program, because your course will go up to next year 2022, right? So go for 18 months program. So here is the team who will be mentoring you throughout. So 6 of us are 100 percentilers and rest of us are almost 99.9 plus percentilers. All right. So all the best guys for your IIFT exam. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. And please practicing topic wise quizzes, keep attending live classes. So thanks a lot guys. If you have any query, do let me know so that I can answer it. And those who want to talk to me can call me on Telegram after around 5 or 7 minutes. Then we will discuss all your personal queries in length and breadth. Right? Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.